A bear lunges, a dog defends its owner, and a 20-second clip like this easily pulls millions of views. Channels running automated AI commentary over high-action footage are generating thousands of dollars a month, totally passively. But if you try to start a new automation channel today, your videos will likely flatline at 0 views. The algorithm is heavily filtered to catch and quarantine brand new, unverified accounts by flagging them as bots. To bypass that filter, we are going to engineer a short from the ground up and then upload it using a very specific mobile protocol. Hitting viral scale relies on exact technical execution during assembly and strict algorithmic hygiene when you post. Let's build the system. Step 1 is sourcing your raw material. Open an incognito browser and search platforms like TikTok for compilation videos, making sure you stay completely logged out to avoid personal algorithm bias. Once you find a high-retention clip, like a pet saving its owner, run that link through a web-based HD video downloader to grab the clean, watermark-free file. Next, you set up your workspace. Dock the video player on one half of your screen and open a blank text document on the other. Here is the single most important rule of the scripting phase. Absolutely do not use an AI text generator to write your commentary. Instead, watch the footage and manually type exactly what happens on screen. Use literal, punchy sentences. This lady was entering her house when a bear popped out of nowhere. Write just enough dialogue to fill exactly 20 seconds of audio. Anything longer drags out the pacing and tanks viewer retention. Writing it manually ensures your script matches the exact physical reaction timing of the video. An AI prompt completely misses that natural human cadence. Paste your script into a voice generator. To output a crisp, deep tone, set your voice parameters to exactly 30%, 30%, and 80%, and push the generation speed to 1.14. Download that generated audio file and drop both your raw footage and the new voiceover into a fresh video editing timeline. Cut and trim the video clips so the physical action aligns perfectly with the voiceover. Split the voice track into individual sentences and drag the audio blocks so they physically overlap. Trigger the next sentence the exact millisecond the previous ends. Simultaneously, drop the raw video volume to 9% so the AI voiceover sits cleanly on top. This gapless editing technique creates a relentless pace. By eliminating dead air, you build the foundation to keep viewers locked in. With the base timing locked, select your entire timeline, merge it into a single compound clip, and generate auto captions. Position the captions dead center. Make the text large and bold, add a thick 50% outer stroke for contrast, and apply a color bounce animation to keep the words visually active. Next, add artificial camera movement. Drop a transform keyframe at the clip's start, then expand the boundary to force a zoom in. Place a second keyframe at the end, shifting your focal point to track the main subject. Add specific visual accents to guide the viewer's eye. Drop a quick notification sound right as a thin, fading circular mask highlights the subject. Between different video clips, place a rising audio transition. This acts as an auditory cue that a new scene is beginning. These constant visual micro-movements and rapid audio resets forcibly refresh the viewer's attention span, making it difficult for them to process a reason to scroll away. Your video is now complete, but if you upload it directly from a newly created desktop account, the system will flag it as suspicious. Instead, export the final file and transfer it directly to your smartphone. Open the YouTube mobile app and spend time watching, liking, and scrolling through normal shorts. You need to simulate authentic human behavior to warm up the account. Once you upload the file from your phone, give it a direct title, add the exact hashtag shorts, and double-check the visibility is fully set to public. Even with this bypass, your early videos will hit a hard view plateau. To break through that ceiling, you have to post a fully optimized short every single day for roughly 3 weeks. Scaling a channel requires executing perfect retention engineering in your timeline and pairing it with absolute consistency on your upload.